down, way underground, the dirt is found. Hey, it'll follow you down. Just follow your feet right off the street. Hey, it'll follow you down. Well, the ballroom is smelly bordellos, and dressing rooms filled with parasites. On stage, the band has got problems. They're vague nerves on first nights. Hey YouTube, so let's learn this Torn and Frayed by the Rolling Stones. It's kind of a honky-tonk rock style. Basically, I think of this as having 3 parts. But there's a little mini intro. It just goes follow you down, A, G, D. Then we go into the first verse, D to A, E to D, and then A, G, D. And then that whole sequence repeats. D to A, E to D, A, G, D. And then we go, so that's one of the main parts of the song is the verse. Then we go into this kind of chorus part, and this is the second part. It starts on A, we're on D, we go, it's cold, it's torn and frayed, A, G, D. Same repeats. Seen much better days. As long as the guitar music plays 3 times. And now this is where the third part of the song comes. It's kind of like a refrain. Steal your heart away. A, D, A. Steal your heart away. Verse. So the chorus and the verse kind of share that A, G, D, but they're different parts of the song. They have different rhythms. Chorus. As long as the guitar music plays. Then A, D, A. Playing in the F sharp minor pentatonic. Thanks for watching. Bye.